Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be attempting to make puff. So I've tried to label the ingredients so you'll be able to know exactly what I used, but you might not be able to find the measurements. Yeah, and this voiceover is going to be like random. You can just hear me say something and say something else. Well, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, I've saved the flour for death and all of that. And this instant tea, it is very good to use instant because it just takes stresses away. But if you find yourself using active yeast, you need to prove it by I think soaking it in water and all of that stuff, warm water and sugar. Then this is nutmeg for tasting. You can use cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon. I think that was what I tried it with. And guys, I just started, this pop-up journey. I started beginning of March. Kudos to Aisha Oladeson and YouTubers. Thank you, I appreciate. And I've been like on this for I think this is my fifth attempt of making pop-up, and I'm liking my growth. So there's something. This milk now, I tried to use liquid milk because that was what was available at home. I don't think I've ever seen anybody use liquid milk, so I don't know. People should not just don't attack me. It's what I had at home. But trust me, guys, it came out nice. It was just that I'll just be honest. I used too much of the milk. So it was prominent in the pop-up. But regardless, it was okay, honestly speaking. So you can try it. It's good to experiment with food. You never can tell. Anyways, this is me mixing it. And I noticed that when I added my warm water and all of that, it was way too watery. So off camera I added flour, and you see that when I want to, cover it up later on. This part you can see it's looking so watery, and it does not make sense when I start scooping it to fry. So I added little flour, make it the consistency to be like kind of thick, but not thick. But this is it. Yeah, and you need to cover it and put it in a warm place. I put it in my oven jar. But my oven was not open though. It was not on, sorry. Anyways, it's time to fry. This is what I love most, and I will show you guys two methods on how you can scoop your dough. You don't call it dough. Anyways, I will show you guys. So this is me bringing it to life. You need to beat that back. Beat it very well. Slap it. Anyways, that's be stretchy like this. So the first one is scooping with your finger. Look at me talking like I sabi. But yeah, I've tried it 5 times, and excuse me, excuse you. I'm good. I'm good. I give myself accolades. So this is me scooping, and you can see it is really, I don't know, I just love this method because gives me joy that I am actually holding and scooping and it is dropping and the oil. The joy. You can see for someone that is just starting out, look how round my puff is looking. Oh my goodness. Please, what can somebody use to this, white part that does not want to roll when you're trying to roll it, so it's going to get brown? What can someone do? Because I'm really tired. Anyway, the second method is you using a measuring spoon, the smallest of your measuring spoon. Just use oil to rub the inner and outer part, and you cook. This one was what I was using when I started because just like this, my hand is getting messy every time. I have a daughter to cater for. I can't do. Let me just find something, and I saw this. I was like, you look so small. I think I can use you. And that was what I've been using anytime I don't want to get my hand messy. So I'm just like, okay, let me just show you guys. I'm a good person, so you guys can learn on it. Look how brown. This pop-up, I'm not gonna lie, apart from you noticing that okay, milk is in this pop-up, it is really nice, really nice. So the last part is me using my hand again because I love the feel of me dropping it. It makes me feel like okay, yeah, I'm a professional. Look at me dropping. Oh my goodness. Come on, bowl. Look at me. You see, oh, and look at the purple rising. Rise, arise and shine. Arise and shine. Goodness gracious. So I hope you guys will try this and let me know. This really interesting and nice and delicious. Any good thing you can call it. So yeah, I enjoyed it and you can see with my hand gesticulation. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and follow the family.